call with the paramedic. Help, I am pregnant.
Stay calm. This is the paramedic.
I have bad stomach pain.
How many months along are you?
I am in the 8th month.
Are you alone at home now?
Yes, I am alone.
Where exactly are you in the home?
I am in the living room.
Are you sitting or lying now?
I am sitting on the couch.
Did the pain start suddenly?
Yes, a few minutes ago.
Do the pains keep coming?
Yes, they come and go.
How far apart are they?
Every few minutes.
Please breathe slowly and calmly.
I try to breathe calmly.
Very good. Keep doing that.
I'm afraid something is wrong.
That's normal, but help is coming.
Has my water broken?
Has your water broken yet?
No, not yet.
Do you see blood?
No, I see no blood.
That's good.
My belly is very hard.
That can happen with contractions.
Does that mean it's starting?
It might. We'll check when we arrive.
What should I do now?
Please lie down slowly.
Should I lie on my back or side?
On your side is good.
I am now on my side.
Very good.
Should I get something like my bag?
If it is near, yes. If not, stay down.
The bag is here.
Good. Then stay calm and lie still.
Is help really coming to me?
Yes, the ambulance is on the way.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
I hear a sound in my belly.
That is normal. Stay calm.
I am very scared.
That's normal. You're doing well.
Please stay on the phone with me.
Yes, I will stay with you the whole time.
Thanks, that helps me a lot.
Keep breathing in and out calmly.
I breathe slowly.
Very good. Help is almost there.
Thank you.
We will take care of you.
Talking with the police. My bike was stolen.
Stay calm. I will help you.
I can't find it anymore.
Where did you park the bike?
In front of the grocery store on my street.
When did you leave it there?
About 20 minutes ago.
Were you in the store long?
No, I only shopped quickly.
Was the bike locked?
Yes, with a lock.
Do you remember what kind of lock?
Yes, a black combination lock.
Do you still have the lock?
No, the lock is gone too.
That points to a theft.
Yes, I think so too.
Can you describe your bike?
It is a blue women's bike.
Is it rather big or small?
Medium-sized.
Any special features?
Yes, there is a basket in front.
And a rear rack?
Yes, exactly.
Do you have the serial number?
I think so at home.
That is important for the report.
Should I go to the police station?
Yes, that is the next step.
Should I do that right now?
Yes, best to do it today.
Can I also report it online?
Yes, many cities offer that.
Good to know.
Do you have photos of the bike?
Yes, on my phone.
Those will help a lot.
Do you think I will get it back?
Sometimes bikes show up again.
That gives me some hope.
Also look around the neighborhood.
Should I ask the neighbors?
Yes, that can help.
And the grocery store?
Yes, ask about cameras.
I did not think of that.
That is common in these cases.
I am pretty nervous.
That is understandable.
Thank you for your time.
Glad to help.
If I have more questions, may I come back?
Yes, anytime.
Then I will go to the station now.
That is a good decision.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Good luck.
A call to the fire department. My apartment is on fire.
Fire department, please stay calm.
I see smoke and flames.
Where exactly are you now?
I am in the living room.
Are you alone in the apartment?
Yes, I am alone.
Is the fire big or small?
The fire is in the kitchen.
Do you see open flames?
Yes, I see flames.
Is there much smoke inside?
Yes, the smoke is growing.
Did you close the kitchen door?
No, not yet.
Please close the door now.
Okay, I'm closing the door.
Very good.
The smoke is still here.
Stay low when you move.
I cover my mouth.
That is correct.
I am very scared.
That is normal. I am with you.
Should I try to put it out?
No, please don't. It's too dangerous.
What should I do now?
Leave the apartment at once.
Should I take my things?
No, only yourself.
I'm going to the door.
Is the path clear?
Yes, I reach the door.
Use the stairs, not the elevator.
I enter the stairwell.
Very good.
It smells like smoke here, too.
Keep going down.
I walk down the steps.
Go calmly but quickly.
I'm almost downstairs.
Very good. You're doing right.
I'm outside now.
Great. Stay outside.
Should I stand away from the building?
Yes, move a few yards back.
Okay, I'm farther away now.
Are you injured?
No, I don't think so.
Did you breathe in smoke?
A little.
Sit down and breathe slowly.
I am sitting.
The fire truck is on the way.
Are they really coming?
Yes, they're already moving.
How long will it take?
About 3 minutes.
I hear sirens.
That is us.
Thank you for staying with me.
That's why we're here.
I feel very relieved.
Help will arrive any second.
A conversation about a sick day.
Why are you not at work today?
I do not feel well today.
Many say that when they want time off.
I understand, but I am really sick.
What exactly do you have?
I have a fever, a headache, and chills.
Since when do you have these problems?
Since last night.
Why did you not call earlier?
This morning it suddenly got worse.
Can you come in later, maybe?
No, I cannot today.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, but it helps only a little.
Have you seen a doctor yet?
No, I will go to the doctor today.
We need a doctor's note.
Yes, I will bring it as soon as possible.
How long will you be out?
Probably 1 or 2 days.
We have a lot of work today.
I am sorry, but I cannot work.
Can you at least be reachable?
Yes, I will check my phone sometimes.
Please do not work from home.
No, I will rest.
Good, then recover well.
Thank you for understanding.
Call me tomorrow morning.
Yes, I will. A conversation about a power outage. I can't see anything.
Please stay calm. What happened?
My apartment is totally dark.
Do you have a power outage now?
Yes, the lights went off suddenly.
Are all lamps off?
Yes, it is dark everywhere.
Is there light out in the hallway?
Yes, the hallway has light.
Then it is only your apartment.
Right, only mine.
Have you checked the breaker box?
Yes, I looked.
Are the switches up or down?
They are all up.
Were you using many devices?
Yes, the oven and the washer.
That is important to know.
Can that be a problem?
Yes, that can be too much.
What should I do now?
Please unplug all cords.
Even the fridge?
Yes, for a short time.
Okay, I will do that.
Do you have any light now?
No, it is still dark.
Do you hear a sound in the box?
No, I hear nothing.
Do you smell anything strange?
No, nothing.
Good, that is important.
I am a bit nervous.
That is understandable.
Is someone coming over?
Yes, an electrician is on the way.
How long will it take?
About 30 minutes.
Should I prepare something?
Yes, clear space near the box.
All right.
Please use your flashlight.
Yes, I will.
We will take care of it.
Thanks for the help. A talk about an accident. I hit my head.
Please stay calm. Where are you now?
I am at home in the kitchen.
How did it happen?
I stood up and bumped into the cabinet.
Does your head hurt a lot?
Yes, it hurts a lot.
Do you see blood?
No, I see no blood.
Are you dizzy?
Yes, a little.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, a strong headache.
Do you feel sick?
No, I do not feel sick.
Did you lose consciousness?
No, I stayed awake the whole time.
Can you speak clearly?
Yes, I can speak normally.
Very good.
I am scared anyway.
That is understandable.
Should I lie down?
Yes, please lie down.
Should I close my eyes?
Yes, but stay awake.
Should I cool it?
Yes, place something cold on your head.
I will get an ice pack.
Very good.
Do I need to go to the hospital?
For safety, we will send someone to you.
Is an ambulance coming?
Yes, it is on the way.
How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Should I call someone?
Yes, if you can.
I will call my sister.
Please stay on the phone.
Yes, I will stay on.
We are taking care of you.
A conversation about sudden fear. Mike, I am really scared now.
What is wrong, Jessica?
My heart is beating very fast.
Where are you now?
I am at home on the sofa.
Are you alone?
Yes, I am alone.
Did something happen?
No, but I suddenly feel odd.
Can you breathe calmly?
No, my breathing is fast.
Breathe in and out slowly with me.
Okay, I will try.
Do you feel pain?
No, only fear.
Are you dizzy?
Yes, a little.
Did you eat enough today?
No, almost nothing.
Was your day very stressful?
Yes, the day was hard.
That can cause fear.
Do you really think so?
Yes, that happens to many people.
I thought I would faint.
You are not alone. I am here.
That helps me.
Can you drink some water?
Yes, I will get a glass.
Sit down comfortably.
I am sitting now.
How do you feel now?
A bit better?
Stay on the phone a moment.
Yes, please.
The fear will pass soon.
Thank you for being here.
Always for you.